Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight on Wall Street, markets closed higher after a softer than expected US inflation report at 3.5%, which strengthened hopes that the Federal Reserve may not need to raise interest rates as aggressively. The S&P 500 gained 0.38%, the Nasdaq rose 0.9%, and the Dow ended marginally higher. Asian markets opened firmly in positive territory today. South Korea's KOSPI surged 6.3%, while the KOSDAQ jumped 4%. Japan's Nikkei and the Topix both gained 0.9%, and Australia's ASX 200 was up 0.6% in early trade. Technical commentary. Nifty closed at 24,052 in the previous session, marking a loss of 159 points. It managed to close above the 24,000 mark, down by 159 points amid escalating tension in the Strait of Hormuz. The index has formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow, indicating both profit booking and resistance at higher levels. For the fifth consecutive week, the index extended its consolidation within 24,500 to 23,800 levels, indicating a sideways trend. For the bulls to regain complete control, Nifty needs a decisive close above the recent swing high of 24,530. For today's session, the immediate hurdle lies around 24,100 to 24,200 levels. On the downside, the 24,000 level is expected to provide immediate support. However, violation of the same may cause profit booking towards 23,900 to 23,800 levels. Markets came under heavy selling pressure as rising geopolitical tensions, a sharp jump in crude oil prices, and a surge in June WPI inflation to 9.87% dampened hopes of an RBI rate cut. The rupee weakened by 62 paise to 96.30 against the dollar. FIIs remained net sellers, offloading 740 crore rupees, although monthly net inflows still stand at 16,835 crore rupees. In the derivatives market, Nifty futures fell 219 points with a decline in open interest, indicating long unwinding, while the premium slipped into a 28-point discount. Bank Nifty futures dropped 748 points with higher open interest, signaling a fresh short build-up as premiums narrowed from 155 to 76 points. In the options market, call writing and put hedging pulled the Nifty PCR down from 1.19 to 1.02 and Bank Nifty PCR to 0.91. India's VIX rose 3.5% to 13.75, reflecting higher volatility. The option chain saw fresh call writing at 24,100 and put additions at 24,000. FII long-short ratio fell to a monthly low of 0.09 from 0.11, with FIIs cutting futures and adding index puts. Proprietary traders remained bearish, while retail investors increased long positions in futures and calls. For today, the key levels to watch are 23,700 as support and 24,400 as resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.